Do people chop things while they're sitting?
Never want your knife to be too light because it's just gonna pop out of your hand. Dangerous.
Hey there, pan fans! So today we are making enchiladas.
Enchilada.
And we're using a couple of different brands from potsandpans.com. Rachael Ray and her knives. We're gonna do our prep and we're gonna use LockNLock. And then actually, we're even going to cook in the LockNLock, which is microwave and oven safe. It's oven safe up to 700 degrees.
If anybody set their oven at 700 degrees,
It's
what
way
are
too
you
hot.
cooking? We also need to make some rice for our enchilada filling. I like this handle too.
So you get that handle with the LockNLock Advanced Home Pot.
Ooh, and on the inside, there's measurements. It's very, very helpful. I really like that.
And then we're going to use our biggest pan, which happens to be our Rachael Ray 12.5 inch. And it's really good for tossing chicken and veggies and everything in. You just stir it around. So I like that pot.
Let's cook.
Yeah, let's cook. Start by tossing rice in with water and your favorite spice blend and heat to a boil in an LockNLock Advanced Home 2-quart covered saucepan. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook without stirring until the water has been absorbed and the rice is tender. Next, you're going to want to use your Rachael Ray paring knife to cut off and discard the stems of the peppers. Remove the cores and then thinly slice. All the Rachael Ray knives are super comfortable in your hand and extremely sharp, which makes this very easy. Store the sliced peppers in LockNLock containers and put them to the side. Next, grab your Rachael Ray Santoku knife. You will use this to thinly slice some scallions. You want to separate the white bottoms from the hollow green tops and store in 2 separate LockNLocks. Lastly, you're going to grab a Rachael Ray chef's knife and cut up chicken into tiny pieces. Now, you could have done all your prep work ahead of time on your schedule, storing the ingredients in LockNLock containers, so when it came time to cook, all you need to do is just jump right in. So, with all your ingredients now prepped, it's finally time to cook. Put a 12.5 inch, uber durable and incredibly nonstick Rachael Ray pan over medium-high heat. Add some olive oil or butter to the pan and throw in your chicken pieces. Space out the chicken evenly and let cook without stirring so the pieces can get a nice golden brown. Then at the end, give it a little stir, just so it cooks through. After that, take the sliced white bottoms of the scallions and the sliced peppers you have stored in your LockNLock and add them to the pan party. With that 12-inch Rachael Ray pan, everything has plenty of room to cook nicely. Do not underestimate the importance of the big pan. Once the veggies are soft and the chicken is cooked through, turn off the heat and add the spiced rice to the pan with everything else. You now have some delicious enchilada filling, which would be enough of a meal on its own, but we're not done yet. Now it's time to assemble. Start by spreading some of the filling on the bottom of a LockNLock Purely Better Glass rectangular container. Once you have done that, take the remaining filling and stuff tightly rolled tortillas and place them on top of the bed of filling inside the LockNLock container. Now it's time to dress up your enchiladas. Cover your tightly rolled tortillas in a traditional guajillo sauce. Now, you could make this at home, but that's a lot of effort when most major grocery stores will sell a decent red sauce in a jar. Finally, generously top the sauced up tortillas with a big handful of shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Time to put that oven-safe LockNLock container into a 450-degree oven. Let it bake until lightly brown and the cheese is melted. Bring the whole thing to the dining room table, garnish with the sliced green tops, and serve. And there you have it, pan fans. Chicken enchiladas, Rachael Ray knives, Rachael Ray pan, LockNLock, jinx. Do everything ahead of time, keep it in the LockNLock. The chicken, the peppers, the onions, your cheese, get it all done on your time, and then it's just boom, boom, boom in the big pan.
I love this pan. It's so beautiful, first of all, but these handles are so helpful. They're nifty to like just hold on to, make sure it's not going anywhere when you're really stirring around or moving from stove to table. Made it really easy. And I love the color. I mean, it's personality, but it's also quality.
We cooked it in the LockNLock, but it also will go right in the fridge because I don't think I'm gonna eat more than this anyways. Well, we'll see. It's not going in the fridge just yet. That's good.
It's good. Your Rachael Ray knives, pan, lock and lock, serveware, all can be found at potsandpans.com. See you later, pan fans. Why are you picking at your teeth? I can't.
You're getting much better at this.
Oh.
I think you're the pan man now.
I'm a pan woman. Oh, I have sour cream in the fridge.
Oh. Wow, this is why we need non-stick spoons.
Non-stick spoons. Just gonna eat my enchilada. Enchilada.